Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we are going to be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 with the Fly More combo kit. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is your first time visiting my channel. I do videos on cars, I do videos on tech gear, and I sprinkle in some audio, video, camera gear reviews and product reviews in there every now and then. So if that's something you're very interested in, please consider hitting that subscribe button. As many of you guys know, I had the Mavic Mini. It had a tragic crash, tragic death, and now I picked up the Mavic Air 2. I waited a little bit because, you know, I just wanted to make sure I really wanted another drone, or I was trying to decide on which one to get. Should I get the newer one or should I just stay with the older one like I had before? And I ended up getting the Mavic Air 2. I feel like this is going to future-proof me, and I'll be able to keep this drone for a very, very long time. So I figured to go ahead and do the little bit of extra investment in this, and I'll be able to keep this for a lot longer. All right, so now let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So as you see here, it's in a nice box. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this up. All right, so now that we have this unboxed, as you can kind of see here, it comes in this nice black bag here. And as you can see indicated down here, we got probably some cords and other accessories right here. So let's go ahead and take the bag out first. All right, and like I stated before, this is a very, very nice bag. It's got the DJI branding right there on the side. It feels pretty sturdy. It's got a little cushion in it, but it is a nice bag that you get with the Fly More kit. I will go ahead and say right now, the Fly More kit is definitely worth it. If you're gonna be flying this seriously, which I think you will be since you picked up this drone, it's definitely worth it to get the Fly More kit. So definitely, if you can swing the little bit of extra cash, get the Fly More kit. And we'll be showing you exactly what's in the Fly More kit today. So let's go ahead and unzip this bag. So looks like inside the bag here, you got the drone right here. So this will be a first look at the drone, kind of what it looks like there. It's got the Mavic Air 2 written on the side. It looks very similar to the Mini, but just a lot bigger. You know, which is what you expect, because this is a big boy drone. Playing no games right here. All right, also in the bag, you got a new controller here. Let's go ahead and take this little bit of plastic off. And boom, so there's the controller right there, and it feels pretty good. I will let you guys know as I do a follow-up video after playing around with this drone a little bit, how I feel about this one versus the old controller that was in the Mavic Mini. But so far the controller feels like it feels good in the hands. I'm a bigger guy, I have a lot bigger hands than most people, so I prefer the bigger controller for me anyway. I feel like I can reach everything with one hand. Oops, accidentally cut it on there. But yeah, so that's what the controller looks like. Also in this bag, looks like this is the charging dock. So let's get this open. Yep, charging dock there. Looks pretty good. All right, so it looks like we got this black box here. So let's see what's on the inside of this. So that's an extra battery. I don't have to open that. I know exactly what that is. And another extra battery. So 2 batteries in here, which is cool. There's a little black cushioning pad fell out. And looks like we got cords. Looks like this is the charging accessories. And looks like we got the charging accessories. So this is the charging brick, charging cord. Looks like you had all your charging and battery accessories in here, and you'll be able to hook that up straight to the charging dock so you can charge all 3 of your batteries. So you do get 3 batteries in a Fly More kit. If you get the regular kit, you just get the 1 battery. So that already, because these batteries are expensive, that already makes the Fly More kit worth it if you do the math. So yeah. All right, so just looking at this bag, It does come with a lot of cushion here. There's a lot of nice cushion in here. It does feel pretty good. As you can kind of see inside of there, it has some cushion at the bottom where you will put the drone at. Has a little bit of storage right there in the front. Actually, something appears to be in the zipper here. So let's see what's in here. So we have some more accessories there. They kind of got them hidden. So let's take that out and see exactly what's in there. I wonder how many people opened this bag and didn't know that stuff was in there. If you have this drone and you open the bag and you didn't know that stuff was in there, please comment down below. I want to see, because you wouldn't necessarily think to look in there, but I only did that because I was just trying to really fill out the bag and I felt something. So yeah, so let's put this to the side and see what exactly was in that pouch. So this is what was in that pouch. So it looks like these are going to be the connecting plugs. You got the USB C and USB, like a micro USB for like the Android users. They're gonna have those type of plugs versus the lightning cable with the Apple users. So that's what these plugs are right here. These, just looking at them, I'm not gonna take them all the way out, but these are extra thumbsticks for your controller. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna have to open this. Looks like oh, I think what you can do with this is this will hook up to, all right, so I'm back. So I figured out what this is. So as you can see here, this is a battery and this is that USB port. So you plug this into your battery and you can use this to charge other items. So let's say you're on a shoot and you know you're only gonna need 2 batteries. You can take the 3rd battery that's charged up and charge up other items. Maybe your controller's out of battery or the controller's out of juice. You can use the power from the actual battery to plug up and power that. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty nice design and pretty nice thought. They really thought that out. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen that before on a lot of products. All right. Looks like you have some other USB Type-C plug here. And then I wonder if these are the ND filters. And they're small enough. Let's see. Yep, ND filters. All right, so these are the ND filters here. So if you guys can see, I'm gonna try to zoom in on the screen for y'all, but you got an ND256, ND64, and ND16. So the ND filters are gonna allow you to get that cinematic look whenever you're flying out on very bright days. The higher the ND number, the darker the filter is. So it's gonna try to block as much sunlight so you can kind of get, make sure you keep your shutter speeds to where you need them to make them more cinematic. And that's what these ND filters are gonna help you get. They'll help you get that shot, the perfect shot. So that's cool. All right, and this was the last item that was actually in the box there. So let's see exactly. This is probably paperwork. And let's see if there's anything else in here. There's something in here. Let's see. There's another box here at the back. Oh, maybe that was just a separator. Okay, so there's nothing here on the other side. And lay this off to the side. And these are extra propellers. So you have a set of propellers and then you have an extra set. So of course you're gonna put one of these on the drone. The other one's gonna be an extra pair. So, and these are your quick start guide. If you've never flown a drone before, pretty sure I would recommend looking at these. If you have flown a drone before, you should be okay. So, but still may not hurt to look at them just to make sure you understand everything that's going on. So, all right, everyone. So this is the drone folded out. They kind of have, so let me fold it back so you guys can really see how it folds and unfolds here. But, so this is the drone face on. So that is a gimbal cover there. You want to make sure you definitely take that off if you're going to fly the drone or operate the drone. So what you need to do is flip these top legs out first and then the bottom legs out. And then you're gonna get the full size of the drone, which is right here. So I got my iPad. This is a basic iPad right here. So you can kind of get the sizing. So just to give you a perspective. So it's really not that big. Even folded all the way out, it's about the size of an iPad. So pretty cool. Good sizing. Doesn't feel too heavy. Definitely heavier than the Mavic Mini. So actually, let me grab my Mavic Minis just so you can see the comparison between this and the Mavic Mini. All right, guys, so this is my Mavic Mini. This is the one that broke and crashed on me and is no longer any good. I will be selling this and the Fly More kit parts that I got with this. So if you are interested, please hit me in the comments below and I'll let you know how to reach out to me. But I will be selling this for parts along with the batteries. But you can kind of see this with a Mavic Mini, and that's the Mavic Mini right on top of the Mavic Air. And you can see it's bigger, but it's not that much bigger. Which is amazing. I mean, the amazing that they're able to get 4K 60 and all the specs that you get with the Mavic Air inside of that, and only make this a little bit bigger is just amazing. It's amazing what DJI is able to do. There's also, I've heard rumors of a new Mavic Mini 2 coming out. They're going to steal some of the features from this, but not all of them. But some of the, I think they're going to make the Mavic Mini 2 4K from what I've heard based on the rumors. So definitely stay tuned for that. And DJI, man, they did a great job in designing this drone. So I'm gonna see if I can put both of these pointing towards the camera there, so you can kind of see a good comparison right there in the difference. And you can see this one's just a lot bigger than the Mavic Mini, man. But still not a huge drone. It's not gonna scare a lot of people if you're flying. And yeah, man, I really do enjoy the size, really do enjoy the packaging and everything you get with this drone. All right, everyone, so that's gonna be it for this video. This is just a quick unboxing, quick unveiling, and just letting everybody know I got this Mavic Air 2. I will, right after this video, be showing you my first flight. I'm gonna put together some clips and I catch you of this in my first flight. Let me know if you like them down in the comments below. As always, please like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.